Thermo Fisher Scientific proudly presents its cost-efficient powder diffraction instrument. Crafted to meet the rigorous demands of multiple industrial sectors, the Thermo Scientific ARL X'TRA Companion Diffractometer is a high-quality theta-theta Bragg-Brentano benchtop instrument that is designed to excel at material analysis. Operating at 600 watts, this instrument marries performance with high throughput capabilities. Built on years of experience in analytical technologies, the ARL X'TRA Companion combines a robust design with seamless accessibility. Its 2D solid-state detector, coupled with an intuitive, streamlined software suite, makes it a trusted analytical ally. Whether you're an industrial professional or an academic researcher, this system is designed to meet your specific needs, providing a comprehensive solution for all your quantitative phase analysis requirements. We've actively listened to the concerns raised by users across numerous laboratories. With Thermo Fisher's state-of-the-art technology, we've made the analysis of complex mineral mixture accessible to all users. This advancement caters to the requirements of a broad range of applications, particularly in process control industries like cement and mining, where detecting low phase concentrations and ensuring the highest precision of analysis makes a significant impact. Firstly, speed and efficiency are core benefits. Our advanced system processes multiple samples rapidly, significantly reducing the time until results are reported. This leads to a quicker decision-making and shorter time to market, providing you with a competitive edge, setting you up to accurately adapt to rapid changes in production needs. Day or night, it serves as the essential companion in your lab. Secondly, the system boasts unprecedented accuracy within its category. With lightning-fast 2D detection and precise goniometer, we ensure that every analysis meets the highest quality standards, relieving stress from operators' busy schedule. This degree of precision minimizes the risk of costly errors and waste, leading to an increase in daily work efficiency. Thirdly, our technology is designed for user-friendliness. Easy-to-use interfaces and automated workflows simplify what could otherwise be complex procedures. This not only ensures conformity to norms, but also reduces the need for specialized training, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. The ARL X'TRA Companion XRD system is more than just a piece of equipment. It's a robust, user-focused solution for material analysis challenges of today and tomorrow. Brought to you by Thermo Fisher Scientific, this is where reliability meets performance, making sure you are always the analytical frontrunner.